Hello, I'm Micks Mowers and Mower Man, and welcome to my channel. And today's video is going to be my little tiny Riley boy.
Hi everybody.
And the reason he's here is because we have a parcel. A parcel has turned up, and it is from Terrell Fixes All, the Grass Rat's Garage, and there's
your dinner!
We can say that because he sent us a parcel. So I know that this parcel has been sent to my mate Pete Froud. He had a few bits in there for himself and for his mum. But then I know that Terrell Jr. and Slippers said that once you finish the parcel, Pete, take your bits out. There is something in there for Micks Mowers and the Riley boy also. So Pete has now sent this down to us from Reading. He's from Reading, he's quite posh. And this has come all the way from America, from Podunk County, from Terrell and gang. So that's cool. So we'll open this parcel first because there's lots of bits and pieces in here that we want to share with you guys. Because Terrell has just sent this over. And Junior Slippers, just from the goodness of their heart. That's what they do. They're a fantastic channel.
I do.
And I do. And that's what they do.
I do.
So I want to open it up nice and slowly because we want to go through all the bits rather than you just going through like a tornado. And we don't show the guys. So there's a little tiny note in here first of all. Where's the note, Riley? Here it is. Here's the note. The note says, "Thanks for all your help with the group," because we run a Facebook group, Terrell Fixes All and Friends. Where you can join on there. Thanks for your help with the group and the Christmas live streams, and of course spreading the good word of our channel. Enjoy.
Hi mum.
It says PPS hi mum, because Pete's mum had a penny in there from Terrell.
Happy
and it says PS, the HV350 is not for gas items. The Terrell putty can be used with gas. So there's some bits and pieces in here. So in the parcel we have, let's go through it.
I hold it.
So the first one,
I did it up.
Sit down buddy, sit down there.
I did it up.
The first one is yours. That's it. Let's just show the guys. Unfold it nice and gently. Turn it round. There is that way round first. So on the front of the t-shirt is a little tiny pocket, and it says Terrell Fixes All on the t-shirt.
Here's your dinner.
And on the back it's got "And there's your dinner." Terrell Fixes All 2002 trademark. So there you go. So look at that. So that fits just about right.
No, it's for you.
That's for you. So you can, in that pocket you can put your sweets in there, can't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, lovely. So we've got a Terrell Fixes All t-shirt for Riley.
It's for you.
So that's cool. Let's put that down there so we can get it covered in oil. And the next t-shirt, let's have a look, buddy. Mind your hands. Next t-shirt, this one's for Daddy. Leave that tape alone. Is it annoying you? That's it. Let's just take the tape off because it's getting on his nerves. That's it. Right, lovely. Right, done. Finished.
Ow!
Beautiful. Right. Oh, I didn't mean to hurt you. So the next t-shirt, this is for Daddy.
What you say?
And this one says Grass Rat's Garage.
Wee wee.
Repair shop.
I said wee wee.
Is Terrell doing a wheelie yet? Since 2004. So Terrell sent me one of his Grass Rat's Garage t-shirts there. Well, that's cool. That will fit me lush. That's perfect. So thank you very much, Terrell Jr. and Slippers, for that one. And then the next one is for Riley.
What you say?
It says, Riley's got a hoodie by the looks of it.
I know what you say.
What's it say?
Where's your dinner? Here's your dinner.
It says Terrell Fixes All, and there's your dinner, and there's Terrell. There's a hoodie. It's got a hood on it, and on the back, it says it ain't. It says there's Terrell saying it ain't the space shuttle. It's a lawnmower. So Terrell sent you over a nice little black hoodie too. Look at that. Look, that is cool, man.
Is there a ticket?
We like that. No, there'd be a ticket in there. Mum didn't cut the ticket out because Ryan doesn't like labels. He hates labels. And then Terrell sent me. This is for Daddy.
With my hat.
Yeah, you got other bits. I've got the Lawnmower Man hat Terrell Fixes All, which we'll probably share anyway, because no doubt whatever I have, Riley then has himself. So, got myself a Terrell Fixes All baseball cap. That's super cool. Like that we got there. Riley's also got a Terrell Fixes All Grass Rat's Garage Podunk, Indiana number plate, little metal number plate. That's cool. Did Daddy get one? Daddy got one as well. Daddy got a slightly bigger one because Daddy's bigger than you. So that one can actually go up on the wall. That'd be great. We've got two Terrell Fixes All number plates.
I know, so right.
What? Oh, right, okay. And then what's this one here, right? What's this one here?
Terrell say I say do.
Go, Terrell, go. Go, Terrell, go. So we've got a Terrell Fixes All buggy flag, I suppose. You put those on your riders and on your go-karts. You put a pole in there, a little pole.
Daddy.
I tell you what we could do. We could fix that to the back of your quad bike.
Daddy.
That'd be cool.
Daddy.
Yeah.
It's a tiny Terrell.
That's a tiny Terrell, yeah. Terrell is quite tiny, isn't he? So there's a Terrell Fixes All badge, a flag. What else we got?
Where's my George? Glue.
Got some glue. We've got some HV350 there, which is an adhesive glue. It's good stuff, that is. So it's really good stuff. But can't be used, as per what he said, with gas items. So you can't use it for gluing gas tanks and stuff. It doesn't like the petrol, so you can't use that. But it is good stuff.
What's that, Daddy?
This is Terrell putty. This stuff is brilliant. And it does work alongside. It does work alongside fuel as well. So we've got some Terrell putty. All of these pieces of equipment and bits and pieces you can find on the Terrell website, or as he calls it, the Terrell apparel. All right, yeah, look here first. Look here first. Here first. What are these? That's it.
Where's my George? Katie.
We've got some Grass Rats Garage keychains.
For free.
Yeah, let's have a look here. It says here on the back. It says, "Now there's your dinner." It says on the back of that. A little Terrell key ring. Yeah, we've got one of those each. That's cool.
Let me try.
You try yours. Can you get into it?
Yeah, see what you say.
Do you want a hand?
No, I don't.
You can do it all by yourself. We just wait here for about half an hour and just wait then. Do you want a hand?
No, I don't.
Do you want a hand now?
I don't. Oh, I don't.
Do you want a hand? Oh, you can do it. Okay, put your finger in there then. Scoop that out.
I don't know what to
There you
say.
go. All right.
It says, now you should say.
Now there's your
dinner!
fantastic. So we've got a keychain each. And then, last thing out of the box, we've got a load of stickers. Now, some of these stickers I have already got. And what I do is, generally, people want some stickers. Then, yeah, 2 seconds. Then I share them out a bit. That's what I do. But, so, let's just go through them.
Daddy?
Yeah.
This one. I'll do that one.
Yep, so we've got a Terrell Fixes All Grass Rats Garage sticker. I have got some of these already. So I've got some doubles of those. Put it over there, buddy, on the other pile.
Where's my dinner?
Grass Rats Garage and
Here's your dinner.
Yeah, that one as well. That's cool. But so these ones we've already got. They're already on our sticker wall, aren't they?
Where's your dinner?
That's the same. Yeah.
Dinner.
There's that one there as well. We've got it ain't the space shuttle. It's a lawnmower. So that's that one. The next one we got is this one here. This is a new one. It says, "I got my mower at Ronnie's Junk and Stuff. You won't get ripped off, I promise." There you go. That one we haven't got. It's a new one.
What's YouTube portion?
Fantastic. There you go. So there's a Ronnie sticker. We haven't got that one. That can go on the door in a bit. That one we've got already. We got a Corolla, which is Terrell's take on a Kohler engine. So he calls that a Corolla. That one we haven't got. Let's have a look. That is supposed to say Cub Cadet, but it doesn't. It says Scrub Cadet. So that's another Terrell take. What we've got there, red one.
What's that?
A Craftsman, which is supposed to be a Craftsman. We've got a Craftsman sticker. There's a Corolla.
Where's your George? Harry Dolph.
Yeah. And we've got a Kinda Sucky, which is can you say Kinda Sucky? Which is Terrell's take on Kawasaki. What's that one there? That one says Terrell Fixes It All, and there's your dinner Halloween one. Yeah. Who's that?
Slippers.
There's Slippers. Show the guys. We've got a Slippers one.
Yeah.
Yeah, Slippers, yeah. And we've also got the new Terrell, pick up, buddy. We've also got the new Terrell Decamish one, which I've got that sign just behind me of the Big Chief. And there's, yeah, buddy, yeah. There's the Terrell version of it. It says Decamish. There you go.
I know who he is.
We've got a Ronnie one. Sit down, buddy.
No,
you're super excited. Sit down. We've got a Ronnie's Junk Shop. You won't get stripped off, I promise. So there's Ronnie again, ripping people off left, right, and centre. Yeah. Yeah. We've got Mower Shields. Mower Shields, yeah. We've got Mower Shields. We've also got a Grass Rats Garage one there as well, Ronnie. There's your one, Ronnie. There's yours. Grass Rats Garage one there.
I know.
What's this one here? Blade Man and Throttle. Yeah, you know them all, don't you?
CD.
Yeah, you got their CD, yeah. We've also got some, not Briggs and Stratton. These are Briggs and Scrapham stickers there. So thank you very much for D for that. Got some Briggs and Scrapham ones. We've also got Grass Rats Garage, Slippers, Terrell, and what's his name? What's that one's name?
Do it again.
Slippers, Terrell. Who's that one? Junior. We've got Junior one as well. So they're cool. And then who's that?
I know. Terrell.
No, it's not Terrell.
Junior.
That's Junior. We've got some Junior ones as well. So we've got an absolutely massive bunch of stickers here, all the way over from Podunk, Indiana. Blade Man and Throttle. Yeah, he loves Blade Man and Throttle. Yeah.
It's a Terrell and Junior. I do my bitchy puzzle.
Yeah.
It is so everything. It is so much.
That pretty much just translates to he's a very, very happy boy. Thank you, Junior, Slippers and Terrell for our super bunch of stuff that you sent over just to put a smile on Riley Boy's face. And if that makes Riley happy, that makes Daddy happy. And that's all there is to it. That's all we ask. And we should be spreading more love around the world at this difficult time. So that's fantastic. So that's good. Let's put all these parcels, all these bits and pieces back into a box. We don't want to get grease on them.
What do you want, Mum?
Well, we do want to get grease because it is for workshop stuff. But I know what Mummy's like. Mummy will be washing them and making them smell of softener within the next hour. Yeah.
What do you want today?
Not today. This video is just a little update. So,
Daddy?
as you...
I do.
What? Yeah, in a bit. So, what else has been happening? As per the title of this video, there will be a chance to meet up with Micks Mowers and Merman. Before we get on though, I have got a new Decana sign that's just turned up. That's really nice. I bought this off a fella off of it was Facebook Marketplace, but it was via a group. So I've got a new Decana sign, that's really nice, and I've got a new Briggs and Stratton sign as well. My Alec sign has come down because it's a bit too big, and I have asked Alec if I can have a smaller one. And on the back here, I've got a new hater sign as well, which does actually turn around to be Toro as well. So
we've got Micks Mowers.
We've got Micks Mowers, we've got Briggs and Stratton, and we've got Decamish, and we've got Cub Cadet. We've got quite a few. Yep. So if you have any old lawnmower signs, I would like them to be original. I don't really like the reproduction ones. If you get the original dealer ones, or if you're just on the marketplace, eBay, Facebook, wherever, and you see original lawnmower main dealer, authorised dealer sort of signs, if you see them, send me a link, just let me know, and I can go and pick them up, because I'm after picking quite a few up if I can. I want to try and fill the whole shed up, the roof, the lot, everything, so it's all covered in lawnmower signs. So I don't matter how old they are, what country they're from, anything like that at all. So I just like to fill up the wall where I can and the ceilings with his signs, just to make it look a bit cool, so that'd be good. So going back to the original title of the video is, in the background now you'll be seeing a lawnmower, yeah buddy, over there. You'll be seeing a lawnmower convention. This convention is called Saltex. Sit down. And in November, I think it's the 2nd and 3rd, I'm going down the 3rd. I'm going to travel up on the Wednesday night, do the event on the Thursday, stay there all day Thursday, walk around the Saltex at Birmingham NEC. I know that Top Conker is definitely going. He's booked up with me already, and me and Conker will be going up there and doing the event at Saltex. So we'll go up on a Wednesday night, staying the night. I think we're staying in. Let me find the name of the hotel, because the actual hotel. No, the actual hotel in the near the NEC is actually full. Last year it was really quiet, but this year it's packed already. It's already fully booked. So
what's it called?
2 seconds, mate. Let me just find the booking. 2 seconds, mate. Prem it in. Thank you. Solihull, Hackney, something it's called. Let's have a look here. Booking reference. Solihull, Hackney Heath, M42. I'll be checking in from Wednesday the 2nd and leaving on Thursday the 3rd. So yeah, if you want to meet up with me and Top Conker and one or two, I know that Jimmy the Mower likes to go up there as well. There'll be a bit of a YouTube convention. So if you are a YouTuber, or if you are a subscriber viewer and would like to meet up with one or two other YouTubers, then why not book up to go to Saltex this year? You don't have to stay the night in the hotel. You can just arrange to go there on the day, turn up at the NEC. It's absolutely free to go. All you've got to do is register. I will try and put the link to the link to the register site in the pinned comment section below. So if you want to turn up and look at all the brand spanking new innovations of lawn care, turf care and what have you, then this is a place to go. And if you look up Saltex, I'll leave all the links down below. I'm definitely going. Top Conker will be there, and it'd be nice to know if one or two others are going as well. So if you want to meet up at Saltex, leave a comment section down below. Let me know if you are going or if you want to go. And there'll be a link downstairs in the comment section and in the description as to where you can then book. As I say, it's completely free to go. It's a free event. Just turn up. It's free. You don't spend no money at all. It's absolutely brilliant. A good day out. You have a couple of beers, have a bit of lunch, just walk around and see all the innovations, and just generally just a darn good time. We went last year just after COVID had just opened up, and just after lockdown had reopened up, so to speak, and it was really, really quiet. We saw a really good day. And there's lots of exhibitions there from the top manufacturers all over the UK, all over the world, of what they're doing going forward with the lawn care equipment. So it is a really good opportunity to check out some of the newest stuff available. So go and do that. If you want to do it, want to meet up with Micks Mowers and Merman, then go and do that. I have also got to the bottom of my merchandise shop. So if you want to turn up to the Saltex exhibition wearing your Micks Mowers and Mower Man t-shirt and goodies, then head over to the link. It will be open. I'm hoping to have it open by the time you guys see this video. If I don't, just bear with me. The reason is I have Micks Mowers and Mower Man as seen on YouTube, and YouTube didn't like the bit as seen on YouTube. They didn't like that, okay? So I've got a copyright claim against me to say I'm using a YouTube logo, despite the fact I'm now promoting YouTube right now. No, it makes no sense. But anyway, so I've now changed my logo. It now says Micks Mowers and Mower Man, let's get down and dirty, and it says subscribe across it. So it's the same thing. There's only one platform that uses the word subscribe, and that is YouTube. So I don't know. But anyway, the link will be there very, very soon. As soon as I get my logo redone, which is in the process of being done at the time of this video, it should be done today or tomorrow. Then the merchandise shop will be reopened, and then if you want to go and turn up at Saltex with your Micks Mowers and Mower Man t-shirt so I can spot you, then go and check that out. So that's all we've got going. Let me have a bit of a drink. I've been waffling, Riley. What have you been doing? What have you been up to, Riley? Anything good?
Not much.
Not much.
I don't know. It's CPB's my hotel.
Yeah, I know. You want to go to Alton Towers and go and check out the CBB's hotel thing, don't you? Is that something you want to do, is it? Then we will get that done for you. We'll do that, mate. We'll take you out for a weekend and go to Alton Towers, shall we?
Yeah.
You might like that. So that'd be good. So I'll be getting on doing other videos in it during the week. I've got this French-made lawnmower I've got to get on with at some point for my friend Paul. Got to get that done, and we shall see a video of that. The video has already been sort of done previously. This is a video of just stepping in between.
Work.
At work, yeah, at work. Good, yeah, good talking at work, yeah. So that's good. So if you want to meet up with Micks Mowers and Mower Man, I shall see you at Saltex. We're travelling up on Wednesday, which I think is the 2nd. Stay the night, couple of beers, bit of a meal. We're having a meal deal in the Premier Inn at the place I just said, the Solihull. I need to get this right, otherwise you end up going to the wrong place. The Solihull Hackney Heath M42. If you want to meet up with Micks Mowers and Mower Man and the Top Conker, then book up the places and go from there. But if you can't book up because they're full, then book up elsewhere, and I shall see you at the NEC. I'll be getting there for around about 9:30 in the morning on the Thursday morning, and I'll be spending the whole day there, having a couple of beers, having a good chat, something to eat, looking at all this stuff, talk to the people who provide all this product for the UK and across the world on all the brand new innovations for lawn care and turf care. It is a really, really good event, and a legend has it there will be some pens they give away. I pulled away about 45,000 pens last year. So go and check that out, and I shall see you at the NEC in November. As I say, it's free to go, so why not go? It's a good day out at the very least, and it's free to do unless you buy a hotel for the night, which costs you about 100 quid. So. I did start the one beforehand right at the NEC, which was brilliant, but I just went online to go and book it, and it was full up. So I thought, well, there's no point in me going there and all you guys and girls going somewhere else and we can't have a beer and a meal together. So that'd be good. So come and visit me at the Premier Inn, and then also at the NEC, and for Saltex 2022, I'll send all the links downstairs in the comment section below, and you can be meeting up with Micks Mowers and Mower Man himself. If you like a video of Micks Mowers and Mower Man, then hit your subscribe button, whack the old bell. That way you'll be told next time we upload another video. So look forward to seeing this episode of Micks Mowers very, very soon. But until then, guys, much more importantly, don't forget.
We're going to dinner!
There's your dinner, and take it easy.